Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Theatrix. In this video I'm gonna tell you the features of MacBook Air 5. So let's begin with this video. So to start recording you have to press Command plus Shift plus 5. And after pressing you can see this icon coming on the screen, and to start recording you can select a full screen or entire screen, any option, and then you can basically click on the capture and your recording will start. So if you like this short video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and please like